right. Hi guys. Look what we got. Finally got my icon box. Yes, I did. So let's get into her. So my box is supposed to be valued at like 3 something. And yes, I still kept the boost. And I was kind of excited. Like, this box is pretty cool. There's some products in there I'm not totally sure about. But let's get into her and see what we like and what we don't like. So yes, it came in the pink box, which I'm happy about. Now let's see how hard we control IPSY on their protection, because y'all know, if you know, you know. And here's my box. Do y'all see protection, or is the box just full? All right, so let's start with the little newspaper. And that is Vanessa Hudgens. She is the curator for this quarter's icon box. So, oh, okay. I never really read these, but maybe I will, because I see some stuff that's interesting on there. All right. So, I don't remember if this was my Boost product. Yes, it was my Boost product. Initially, my selected choice was like skincare, and y'all already know I wasn't going for skincare. So, I chose different. And I chose this Purify Life Mini Hair Straightener. Now, this would be perfect for like my little edges and stuff like that, because currently, funny enough, I have it here. I have my Babyliss. I got this thing for $35 at Sally's a really long time ago, and this is like my favorite flat iron. And yes, I have the grip comb on it. That just makes the chase method, the comb and chase method, so much easier, especially when you're doing your own hair. So yeah, so I got this because it's a little mini size, and I can like take it with me, and you know, I can get the kitchen, I can get the edges, all that. So I'm super excited to get this. So there we go. So that's my first item. Up next, we have the Dr. B Lab Foaming Face Cleanser. So there's that. All right. I did see this in some videos. Oh, it has a safety seal on it, so we won't open this. But coincidentally enough, one of my sisters did ask for some skincare from my other boxes, but I gave it away, so she can have this one. So there's that. All right, up next, we have, let me go to this one. This box is all busted open. Y'all see this? See? This we be talking about. But this is a value set. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills full size and mini brow duo. So clear brow gel, a mini and a full size, I'm assuming. Full size and mini, duh. It said that on the package. My bad. I can read, I promise. So here's the mini, and there's that. And here's the full size. Let's see if the brushes are the same. Because you know how sometimes when you get like mini sizes, like especially with mascara, like the brush is different than the full size one. And I don't understand. But these are very similar. It smells like mascara. Don't ask why it smelled that, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. I don't use a lot of brow gel. I like my thick eyebrows. And so I don't use all the brow products because I have naturally thick ones, so I don't see the point of like shaving them off only to draw them back on. I think that's the most ridiculous thing people do, but that's just me. That's my opinion. That's just me. Just saying. So yeah, maybe I'll give one to my daughter because she does her eyebrows and stuff. So I'll give her the mini one, and I'll keep the full size one because I'll probably actually use this. I used to use do y'all remember the MAC eyebrow wax stick? We used to use that, and it just made them sleek because that was before I was really into like getting them threaded. That crap hurts, by the way, but or waxed or you know, shaved or whatever. And so we would use that, and it made them look all nice because mine's grow a little crazy sometimes. So I'm actually looking forward to this, and I know how to use it. I'm moving up, y'all. Just saying. All right, so there's that. Up next, there's a lot of makeup stuff in here. So this is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. That's a whole lot for some plumping gloss. Let's see, this is the shade Rosy Outlook. The packaging is pretty. It's pink. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, this is pretty. Cool, and you can kind of see through it. Okay, what in the deuces? Do you see the foot? I'm assuming it's like that so it could like cup, you know, glide better on your lips. Ooh, that kind of smells good. That kind of smells good. It's kind of sweet. Let's try it. Yeah, it hugs your lips. I don't necessarily need plumping gauze, but sometimes you want to be extra juicy. So yeah, let's try that. Forget the filler. They look juicier. No, but they look shiny and luscious. I like that. Line, lip plumping line smoothing gloss. They look smooth. They do. They don't look crusty, but they're not crusty anyway, so we don't have to worry about that. All right, cool. So there's that. Up next we have, I think I know I chose this. I definitely know I chose this. The That's My Jam Too Faced eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I haven't had a Too Faced palette in I can't remember how long. And I think I ended up giving those away to my daughter because at the time they were like so popular. And I was real cheap. So I wasn't spending $50 on a palette that I wasn't gonna wear. So now I wear some of them. Let's put it that way. So I ended up giving them to my daughter. But this is so adorable. Look at that. Now, one thing you can always count on Too Faced is their packaging. They're always going to give you something kitschy, absolutely, and kiddish. So let's see. Here goes the color. Here goes the colors. They're really pretty. Awesome. I wonder what does it smell like. Does it smell like jelly? It definitely smells sweet. But let's watch some. So y'all know purple is like my favorite color. So we're gonna go with this matte purple. I'm just gonna leave it on my hands because y'all know I suck at swatches. And then here is the shimmer that goes with it. That's really pretty. Let's get this pink. Ooh, that's really pretty. I could totally see myself using that. Yeah, so this is pretty and it comes with a mirror. So I think you can get a whole bunch of looks out of this. You know, you can keep it neutral or simple with these colors, you know. You can add some in the inner corner. You know, you could do a few things with this. So this is a good, I won't say a well-rounded palette, but you can definitely get your money's worth. Up next, we have, oh, I was excited about this. I know I chose this, I think. I can't remember. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara, and this is the dual-sided one. So one is for volume and the other one is to curl in length. So let's take her out, and this is Very Vanta Extreme Black. Yes. Can I get it open? And I don't even have nails to like trip me up with. Okay, all right, there we go. I almost broke my real nail. That's not cute. All right, okay, so here's that. So again, one side we have volume. Let's see. Oh, this side is the volume. It actually says it on there on the oh, okay. So this is where you store the product. There's the brush. Okay, see that? I like it. It sounds flimsy. Sounds a little flimsy, but we could probably work around that. But this one seems really sturdy. Can y'all see? Yeah. It's okay. All right. I'm super excited to try this. I've been into like mascaras lately, so super excited. And it's heavy too. Toss that at somebody. All right. Up next, what do we have? Oh, okay. So this is one of the power picks. And this is the Il Makiage Color Boss Master Palette. Now, if you watched my was it my Chic Beauty box unboxing, I talked about the little one that we got. So I talked about this one. This was the little, the quad, the color quad. And it looks great. Like, it's pressed really nice. But, baby, I couldn't get no color out of there. It takes, like, you gotta press and dig and dig. Ain't nobody got time for that. So, yeah. So, here's this one. Super pretty. The packaging, look. They was going for bougie. They was going for extra. And they deliver. So, yeah. There's that. So, here are the colors. It's very similar to the one we just got. Only this one has a black. Let's compare now that I have them both. I'm sorry the sun went down. But that's okay. So yeah. That one is like very similar. Look, it's the same palette. It's literally the same palette. Like, seriously. Yeah, it really is. Like, when I look at the... So, yeah. Lush Life is in both. Carry On is in both. Yeah, like these two... Let's see. These two are slightly off. They're slightly off. One's a little bit more brown. The other one is a little bit more pink. But like, yeah, it's literally, there's just a 2-color difference between it. Come on now. I mean, it's pretty. I wonder if the formula is the same. But we gonna see. I'll try it. I'll try it. Because I mean, I take this everywhere, but it makes me feel like I'm really working to get the look. Really working to get the look. So there's that. All right, up next we have the Aloe Glow System Magnesium Reset Spray. I think I chose this because I always hear that magnesium is really good for the skin. It's really good for the skin. It helps your muscles and stuff like that. So I can definitely use this. And I can use this on my husband as well. Let's see. And it has some aromatherapy oils too. So you just spray it on the skin, massage it in, focusing on areas of tension or fatigue. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. And I actually am experiencing muscle cramps right now. So let's see. Oh, so it really is a spray. And I can kind of smell the essential oils. It's very subtle, which is fine because you don't want to be, you know, super smelly, but I guess it wouldn't matter. You just want your muscles to calm down. So yeah, I'm absolutely looking forward to using this. Definitely keeping her. Now that this volleyball season has started up again, so choose to keep her. All right, is this my last item? Oh no, because I have this. Yeah, that's how I feel about them and their protection. All right, anyways, last up, I have the Iconic London Lip and Cheek Cream Duo. Or, this is Trio. I promise I can read y'all. There we go. Can't. There we go. Yeah. So let's see what she looks like. All right. I think I did see this one. This is really pretty. I really do like Iconic's packaging. It's really nice. All right. There is a mirror in here, but there we go. Now, I don't know what shades I can get away with. No, I'm lying because this is very similar to the blush shade that I use currently by MAC. But it's, yeah, it's definitely creamy. I'm not familiar with creams, but that's okay. There's that one. And here's this like pinky shade. But I might try this one. This one here. I think that would be really pretty. And it seems subtle enough that you wouldn't even notice. Or you can get away with learning how to apply it. So let me hurry up because my sun has gone down. All right, so we got the Iconic London Lip and Cheek Trio, because there's 3 colors. We got the Too Faced That's My Jam eyeshadow palette. We got the Foaming Face Cleanser. We got the Il Makiage eyeshadow palette. We got the straightener, the eyebrow gel, the mascara, the lip plumper, and the magnesium spray. All in all, I will say this was a good box. I was really excited to make my choices and know this lip plumper does not burn. At least it's not burning me. I don't feel the tingling sensation. Oh, I forgot. And the mascara. Did I say that already? I can't remember, but you know, it's there. So yeah, all in all, I really thought this was a great box. I was excited about my choices. Like, I haven't really been excited to make my picks because usually I get all skincare. I don't subscribe to IPSY for skincare. I want makeup, which is why I really prefer like the Chic Beauty box. Even though it's a bi-monthly subscription, I prefer that because I'm getting 90% makeup. So I was excited that when I was able to make my choices that I was able to get pretty much all makeup outside of like the Boost product, which I thought was fantastic. I got what I wanted. And I really like that. But I think this is going to be my last IPSY box. I think it's going to be my last IPSY box. Only because it's not consistent enough for me to like continue to spend the money. And then the Boosts, they are okay. They're not great. And I mean, I even updated my profile. So maybe that's why I got so many more makeup options versus skincare. But yeah, excuse me. I don't know if it's worth it to keep it or not. So yeah, we'll see. If I show up next month with the BoxyCharm, mind your business. Mind your business. Okay? Just watch. Click like, you know, subscribe. It's cool, you know, it's cool. Just mind your business. But yeah, so that's my box. I enjoyed it. I thought it was great. I haven't said that for a really long time about a BoxyCharm, but here we are. So yeah, let me know what you guys got. Did you have to change your profile for this particular subscription so that you got everything that you wanted? Do you lean more skincare? Do you lean more makeup? Or do you like the mixture of both? Let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.